Well, welcome to the channel, or how do? How are you? Well, we're supposed to be away this weekend. Tell you, every time me and Sandra plan something happens. But anyway, not bothering. Sorry about the noise. I've got engines running, heaters on. Just hope you can hear me. Right, this is it's just an advert really for Talbot store. If nobody knows about the Talbot store, then there's a link at the bottom. It's www.talbotoc.co.uk.com. And on there it's stuff really Talbot Owners Club related stuff. I just do it. Yeah, why do I do what I do? It's boredom, really. I do it because I'm fed up, and that's it. I don't do it for any profit. All profits go to members. Yeah, that's it. You know, I've no authority at the club or anything. I'm just a normal member, fed up. So I started selling these stickers and what have you, and sourcing and designing and all sorts of shit. Anyway, yeah, so on there is like club stickers, water stickers, gas locker stickers, fun stickers like Contiki fun stickers or Camelot fun stickers. Well, that's it really. This video is just an advertisement for some new stickers that I've done. Well, they're not stickers actually, decals, proper decals. When the Talbots were made, if you want to call them that, in 80s and 90s, at the bonnet, at the front, on the right hand side of the bonnet, right at the front, at the bottom right hand corner, it usually has Talbot, but it's made out of plastic, and I've left the plastic thing in the house. I'll go and get it. I'm just wondering about making another channel. Might not be a bad idea really. Anyway, these, they are, I don't know whether they're plastic or whatever. That is normally on the back of like your Avalons, your Camelots, on the, you know, the ones with the double back doors and sliding side door. Yeah, they go on the back door. You can't buy these. Well, you can, like I did, it's used, you know what I mean, but it has paint on, and well, in fact I've got most of the paint off. So on the front of the bonnet, on old Talbots, not Peugeot, but on the Talbots, right at the bottom of the bonnet on the right hand side is normally Talbot, but I've gone one better, and I think these will fit. Oh, we're going to fit it today and show you. There. Right. Now these go, yeah, like I said, it's normally just Talbot, just a Talbot part, and the Express, it's optional, you know. So, but these, the proper decals, they're not a sticker. Needless to say, you peel off the paper, it's left then, this top thin stuff here is called transfer backing. Well, transfer top. So you're basically transferring the decal from the backing, and then what you do then, you put this wherever you're going, you know, onto like that. Rub it all on with like with a credit card or something like that, you know, get all the air bubbles out, whatever. And then you peel that top real, you know, nice and steady, literally at a, I don't know, is it called a 90-degree angle or a 99-degree angle? So it's more or less, you're flat, it's touching. Do it slowly, and if it sticks, go back, come back. I'd show you, but it started raining. Right, so these are going to be available. Now it's entirely up to you. I've got some of just Talbot. and Just Express. They're coming. Now if you want to just put the Talbot, then obviously they're going to be available. But if you want the Talbot and the Express, which I'm going to have on mine, so I'll show you what it looks like as soon as it stops raining. So anyway, yeah, they're going to be available. I haven't worked out a price yet. Right. It is raining, but it's only like, and apparently with these, you can put water underneath to slide them. Right, I'm hoping I actually think it's going to be to can't see. Don't blow, don't blow. Ah! Right, really you need a card, which I'm going to go and get now. Because what you have to do is peel this here transfer paper. There, look, it's coming. And it's easier, by the way, to go from corner to corner. Like I say, if you try and keep the paper not, well you can, you can actually touch it, it transfers easier. does look a bit too black, to be honest, but I suppose it has to be, hasn't it? Right, there we go. Not too bad, is it? But you can have, like I said, the Talbot. This. See, these are the original sizes. The Talbot, and it just goes there, or wherever you want it. And normally the whole Talbot Express, it goes on the back. But I think it's right like that. Yeah. I wonder if a Talbot logo would be alright there. Not one of ours, but a proper T. You know, like that. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. And if you want any, this should be on the front page of talbotoc.co.uk. Well, that's his store address. And if you don't mind, have a browse round and see if you fancy hotels.